Tongue, tongue, tongue.
What have you got there, Bubba Blue?
Blue paint! Me and Fuffa are planning a surprise.
You too, eh? You are all in colourful moods today. Now, come here, you cheeky clouds.
There! It looks so much lovelier pink. Now, I better go and fluff up those clouds. Pink? No. Blue is much better. One for me. And one for you. And one for me. And one for you. Huh? Bobo no share. There! The others will love this. Come on, Blue Horsey. Time for your rest.
Hi, Rainbow. Look what I've got. It's a surprise for the others.
Lovely. Everyone's painting today. Oh, excuse me, Bubba Green. Got to go.
One for me. One for me. And one for me.
Oh, well done. You're both sharing.
Thanks, Yelly Babs. Mine!
Blue? That's strange. I'll soon fix that. Green. Yes.
Green? Green's quite nice, but yellow is so much yellowier. Beautiful, bright yellow. Better have a wash. Yellow? Well, I'm just going to have to paint it again. What? Oh, no. Have you seen the door, Bubba Green?
Oh, yes. I'm glad you like it.
Hi, Cloudbabies. I got a surprise for you. That door should be pink.
Green.
Blue. It's supposed to be yellow.
Well, I don't think it's funny.
We're not laughing. So who is? Fuffa Cloud? Fuffa Cloud told me to paint the door blue.
She told me to paint it green.
Pink. Yellow. I only said to paint it. You chose the colour. And we all chose our favourite colours. Uh-oh. That looks like...
Rain!
Look at our door. Now it's no one's favourite colour. We'll have to paint it again.
But which colour do we use?
Yelly Babs. Bobo Sharper. Well done, Bobo White. Bobo Clever. Maybe you should teach us how to share the door, Bobo White. Cut up. We can't cut the door into pieces, Bobo White. So how do you share colours?
You have everything you need to put it right.
You mean you know which colour's the best, Rainbow?
Personally, I think I am the best colour of all.
But you're lots of colours. Just like our door used to be. We did it! Little star? What's wrong?
Oh! Big rumbly grumble noise in the sky, and I don't like it.
I can't hear anything. Can you?
No.
No.
Well, little star's not twinkling. I want to stay here with you.
All right, little star. You can stay. But just for tonight. Ow! Your points are really pointy, little star. I have to get up early tomorrow to give Sun his polish. Why don't you sleep in Baba Blue's bed?
Okay.
Ow! Little star, I have to get up early to feed the sky horses tomorrow. How about sleeping in Baba Yellow's bed?
Okay. Sorry.
Ooh! Little star, I have to get up early to give Rainbow Stripes a fresh coat of paint. Do you mind sleeping in Baba Green's bed?
Okay. Little star must be careful with pointy points. Phew.
What was that?
Oh, it's the rumbly grumble noise I told you about. Oh, don't like it.
I wonder what it is. Maybe it's the clouds. Clouds sometimes make a noise like that. Come on, we have to find out or none of us will get any sleep. This way. Come on. The noise is coming from up there.
It's coming from that cloud.
Come on. It's shaking.
What can it be?
Oh!
So that's what's making the noise.
What? What is it?
It's Sun.
Sun? It's Sun! It's Sun! He's making a big noise.
A big snoring noise.
We'll never get to sleep with that noise. What can we do?
Maybe Sun is snoring because he's sleeping on his back, like you do, Baba Blue. But it's okay, because when you turn on your side, you stop.
Oh, I see. We should turn Sun on his side. Good idea, Baba Pink. Come on, let's do it. Ready, Cloudbabies? 1, 2, 3, push! It worked.
You Cloudbabies are so clever.
Thank you, little star. Will you go back to twinkling now?
Oh, yes. Little star will twinkle all night long.
So the Cloudbabies all went to bed and had the best night's sleep ever. Well, almost.